Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to be financially stable in your 30s. Your 30s is a crucial time to focus on your finances, as you're likely starting to build your career, family, and potentially looking to buy a house. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. First things first, you need to set financial goals for yourself. Having a clear idea of what you want to achieve financially will help you make better financial decisions. Your goals may include paying off debt, building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing for retirement. Once you have your goals in place, it's time to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you're going to spend and save your money. It's important to track your income and expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Consider using budgeting apps like Mint, Personal Capital, or YNAB to help you keep track of your finances. If you have any debt, focus on paying it off as soon as possible. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly accumulate and hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to pay off your debt efficiently. Save for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, so it's crucial to have an emergency fund in place. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. This will give you peace of mind and protect you from unexpected expenses or job loss. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. If your employer offers a 401k or other retirement plan, contribute enough to get the maximum matching contribution. If you don't have a retirement plan through your employer, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to increase your earning potential. Consider taking courses, attending conferences, or getting certifications that can help you advance in your career. Living below your means is essential to achieving financial stability. Don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where you increase your spending as your income increases. Instead, live within your means and prioritize your financial goals. Similarly, avoid lifestyle creep, where you start spending more money on unnecessary things as you earn more. Instead, focus on building wealth and achieving your financial goals. If you're looking to make a big purchase, like a house or car, it's crucial to plan ahead. Set a realistic budget, save up a down payment, and shop around for the best deals. Lastly, it's important to review your finances regularly. Check in on your budget, track your progress towards your financial goals, and adjust your plan as needed. Make sure you're staying on track and making progress towards financial stability. And there you have it, 10 tips for achieving financial stability in your 30s. By setting goals, creating a budget, paying off debt, saving for emergencies and retirement, investing in yourself, living below your means, avoiding lifestyle creep, planning for major purchases, and reviewing your finances regularly, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.